Today, I wanted to talk about something that I saw recently posted on Facebook. And what it was another attorney who was posting that she had just completed the 14th day of a trial in a matrimonial case. And a lot of the other attorneys were saying to her, oh, that must be, so much stress for you, but you must feel relieved that you've now completed 14 days of trial. And my first thoughts weren't at all related to the attorney. My first thoughts were thinking about what a trauma it must be to that family to have experienced a 14-day trial and now have to wait for a decision to come out on what happened. And I thought a lot about the impacts that it has to that family. First, the financial impact for one attorney to go and to just attend a trial for 14 days would probably cost about $35,000. And that's not including travel cost or for parking or any of the other related. That's just for them to appear in trial. So think about it. That family has probably spent at least $70,000 in just the trial alone. That doesn't include the prep time. That doesn't include all the discovery that occurred before that. That's just attending trial. But there's also the cost of, for 14 days, they weren't able to go to work. They had to appear in trial for 14 days. They may have had to use up vacation time. They may have had to use personal time. So there's that toll on them. But the other toll I thought about is here's a family that has just been horrifically torn apart. And I don't know that you could ever repair what has occurred because during that 14 days, some horrible things must have been said about each other. They must have testified about the way the other parents, about economic issues. Other things must have just come up that really would make the relationship between them almost impossible to ever truly co-parent or to have any kind of amicable relationship post that divorce. So this is a family that has been, totally devastated and just dismantled and demolished by a trial. And why am I telling you this story? Well, I believe that that's an event that doesn't need to occur. Now, I don't know the specifics in that case, but I know that in most instances, a family does not need to have a trial. Issues can be resolved in a more peaceful, dignified, and respectful way. How can that happen? That can happen through mediation and collaborative divorce. Families don't need to be torn apart and be economically devastated by a trial. They can resolve their differences in ways that, again, allows them to walk out with respect, dignity, and also be able to co-parent and have a better relationship post-divorce. If you'd like to learn more about how you can divorce in a way that's going to give you better positive results, I'd love to speak with you. My information will follow after this video. You can also look below and you can find a link to our website, which will also provide you more information about alternatives to trial. My name is Melissa Fekak, and I'm with South Jersey Divorce Solutions.